Who was the chairman of the Union Powers Committee? A. Sardar Patel. B. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Choose the correct answer. Answer C. Jawaharlal Nehru. 2. Which committee was chaired by Sardar Patel? A. Union Constitution Committee. B. Drafting Committee. C. Advisory Committee on Fundamental Rights. D. States Committee. Choose the correct answer. Answer C. Advisory Committee on Fundamental Rights. Who headed the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly? A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Sardar Patel. D. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Choose the correct answer. Answer D. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Which committee had 5 subcommittees focusing on various aspects of rights and minorities? A. Union Powers Committee. B. Advisory Committee on Fundamental Rights. C. Rules of Procedure Committee. D. States Committee. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. Advisory Committee on Fundamental Rights. Who chaired the Fundamental Rights Subcommittee? A. J. B. Kripalni. B. H. C. Mukherjee. C. Gopinath Bardoloi. D. A. V. Thakkar. Choose the correct answer. Answer A. J. B. Kripalni. Which subcommittee focused on Northeast Frontier Tribal Areas? A. Minorities Subcommittee. B. Excluded and Partially Excluded Areas Subcommittee. C. Northeast Frontier Tribal Areas and Assam Excluded and Partially Excluded Areas Subcommittee. D. Northwest Frontier Tribal Areas Subcommittee. Choose the correct answer. Answer C. Northeast Frontier Tribal Areas and Assam Excluded and Partially Excluded Areas Subcommittee. Who was the chairman of the Rules of Procedure Committee? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Sardar Patel. C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. D. B. Pattabhi Sitarmaya. Choose the correct answer. Answer C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Which minor committee was headed by a Ladi Krishnaswamy Iyer? A. Finance and Staff Committee. B. Credentials Committee. C. House Committee. D. Order of Business Committee. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. Credentials Committee. Who was the chairman of the House Committee? A. Dr. K. M. Murshi. B. B. Pattabhi Sitarmaya. C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. D. G. V. Mavlankar. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. B. Pattabhi Sitarmaya. What was the main focus of the expert committee on the financial provisions of the Union Constitution? A. Administrative issues. B. Linguistic provinces. C. Financial provisions. D. Citizenship. Choose the correct answer. Answer C. Financial provisions. Who chaired the ad hoc committee on the national flag? A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. S. Vardachari. D. Usha Nath Singh. Choose the correct answer. Answer A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Which committee was not led by a member of the Assembly? A. Expert Committee on the Financial Provisions of the Union Constitution. B. Ad hoc Committee on the Supreme Court. C. Finance and Staff Committee. D. Credentials Committee. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. Ad hoc Committee on the Supreme Court. Who was the chairman of the special committee to examine the draft constitution? A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. B. G. V. Mavlankar. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. Choose the correct answer. Answer C. Jawaharlal Nehru. What was the purpose of the Order of Business Committee? A. To draft policies. B. To manage assembly procedures. C. To negotiate with states. D. To organize the national flag ceremony. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. To manage assembly procedures. Who chaired the ad hoc committee on citizenship? A. Alladi Krishna Swamy Iyer. B. Dr. K. M. Mushi. C. S. Vardachari. D. S. Kedar. Choose the correct answer. Answer C. S. Vardachari. Who chaired the Committee on Chief Commissioners Provinces? A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. B. B. Pattabhisitarmaya. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. S. Vardachari. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. B. Pattabhisitarmaya. Which committee focused on the functions of the Constituent Assembly? A. Finance and Staff Committee. B. Committee on the Functions of the Constituent Assembly. C. Rules of Procedure Committee. D. Minorities Subcommittee. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. Committee on the Functions of the Constituent Assembly. What was the role of the steering committee? A. To manage finances. B. To coordinate between different committees. C. To draft the constitution. D. To examine the final draft. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. To coordinate between different committees. Who chaired the Linguistic Provinces Commission? A. S. Kedar. B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. Nalini Ranjan Sarkar. Choose the correct answer. Answer A. S. Kedar. Which committee had a focus on negotiating with states? A. Union Powers Committee. B. States Committee. C. Drafting Committee. D. Rules of Procedure Committee. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. States Committee.